This tutorial will show you how to file storage on Telegram app online completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Okay, so file storage on Telegram, I'm going to show you on iPhone. This works for Android as well. Basically on Telegram, you can have free file storage up to, I believe, 4 or 5 gigabytes. And in this case, we have a channel right here that I'm going to click on. And basically, if you go down to the bottom left hand screen, so this icon right here, this paper clip, you can click on it and this will bring up or pull up your camera roll. In this case, if you want to store, let's say, an image, another image, and another image, you can click send on the bottom right hand screen. You can even add a caption, and then just to make sure that you want to save it, and then click send on right here, the bottom right hand screen, or this arrow up icon. And as you can see, this is going to upload on Telegram mobile completely for free. So you have access to this. If you want to access your photo or even a video clip, you can do the same thing. And then on desktop, file storage on Telegram is pretty self-explanatory. And then I'm going to click on my channel, or where we just saved an image, 3 images. You can even hold the image. You can right click on the image and you see you have a couple different options. You can reply, edit, pin the image. Basically, if you were to pin this, it's going to say, would you like to pin this message? And now, as you can see, it said pinned message or image is saved. You can click this. So now you can locate where you have saved an image or even a video clip right here for quick free file storage or access in Telegram completely for free.